as much as we want to share this to our family because of the Delta variant and the COVID cases, wala. Kami-kami lang muna. Di ba, my love?
Correct.
Hello mga kuda! Halika na dito. This is the first weekend that we are officially a vlogger. That's why dinner is on me and it's a little extra special, okay?
Yes,
We'll-
I'm so excited.
Yeah.
It's my favorite.
So, we'll roast pork. So, I'll show you the process but not the recipe kasi, it's, ano ba?
It's part of our
A
future
well-tested,
business.
correct. A well-tested recipe that I cannot share. Unfortunately, I'm so sorry because in the future, yun yung tinatry nating magkaroon someday. Yung My Little Black Oven natin na it serves roasted chicken, roasted pork, and eventually, magtatayo kami ni My Love na gano'n, okay? So, we'll show you yung process of roasting it and then serving and whatnot, ganyan, okay? Later! So, eto na, ilalabas na natin yung roasted pork. Tadaan! Ayan. Ayan. So, what I'll do, sige, papakita ko sa inyo later, but for now, i-preheat na muna natin yung oven, okay? So, ayan. Pinreheat na natin yung oven. 210 muna siya. And then, we turn the timer, mga 60 minutes. We're roasting it slow. It will take about 2 hours to do this or more, 2.5. Because ang ayaw ko is masunog siya at pumutok yung skin ng pork, okay? So, while we're preheating the oven, ang technique ko, guys, if you want to do this, para even yung color ng pork roast nyo, ayan na, I'm giving you a trick na ha, tip na ha. So, pinapahiran ko siya ng vinegar lang to. Vinegar lang yan mga kakuda, okay? Ang goal is maging pantay yung color ng skin at hindi siya pumutok na hindi pantay-pantay. Yun. So, yan ang goal niya. Actually, tinry ko lang. Tingnan natin kung nagiging successful again kasi ito na yung nakuha kong technique before. It's been a while kasi since the last time nakapag-roast tayo kasi alam niyo naman, ang cholesterol para sa mga may edad. So, paminsan-minsan lang tong pork roast, okay? Kasi, pag tumatanda ka na, hindi na masyado matapang sa cholesterol, okay? So, we're done doing it. O, yan. So, pork belly yan. So, ayan. Ready na yung oven, ilalagay na natin siya. Ang meron lang dyan sa ilalim is like lemongrass, okay? Lemongrass from our garden. Eto na, ilagay na natin siya. So, eto na, roasting starts now. Approximately, it will take about 2 hours. So, ayan. There we go. So, ayan na siya. 2 hours natin siyang hihintayin or even 2.5 mga kuda. Later! So after 2 hours of roasting, we're checking the roast now. Mga kakuda. Tignan natin kung ano yung eksena. Oh my God, hindi pa siya. Hindi pa, unfortunately. Diyos ko, ano oras kayo makakakain ito. Dadagan natin siya na 210.
Hi. Sean.
So, we're back mga kuda. After 2 hours of roasting, it's finally done. Kukunin na natin siya from the oven. Susinin. Ay.
I'm sorry, I am. And what is the additional step? No. Okay, do the additional step.
Kung saan na ng holder natin, kailangan ng kanina. Tadaan!
What's wrong?
So, after 2.5 hours, eto na siya. Magdi-dinner na kami. So, the secret to roasting meat like chicken or pork, you have to rest it like for 30 minutes to 1 hour
I can't
from the oven para
take care of it.
hindi kumawala yung juiciness niya kapag chinap mo siya. So, this rested for 20 minutes na. So, okay na yan. Kasi nga nagmamadali, gutom na kami. Later!
Sabi ko madali na lang matutunan niya.
So, eto na mga kuda, ang lutong test, okay? Ayan, okay? O, ayan na yung lutong test mga kuda. So, ayan. Mabilisan na lang to kasi nagugutom na kami. Ayan na yan. Can you hear that? Ayan na
Oh my
siya.
God, ang sarap.
So, enough namang nagutom kami para lumaban kami ngayon. Ay! Nakita niyo yung juice na yun? Ayan. Dinner is extra special because we're celebrating. Kasi finally meron ng vlogger sa family.
Finally, vlogger na siya.
Okay. So, kung nandito yung mga pinsan ko, ubos to mabilis. So, 4 lang kaming,
Tingnan natin kung
Lalaps
mauubos
nito.
natin.
kasi
Ano direct, kaya mo?
as much as we want to share this to our family because of the Delta variant and the COVID cases, wala. Kami-kami lang muna. Di ba, my love?
Correct.
So, guys, if you can, try not to go out. Huwag na muna kayong mag-party-party somewhere. Kanya-kanya na lang muna. Per household, kanya-kanya na lang sa bahay, okay? Kasi today, September 4, 20,000 na naman yung cases. Ayan. So, ayan na mga kakuda. Then, oh my love, close up mo sa kanila. Then, so ayan na yan. So, ayan, okay?
Oh my God, ang sarap.
Ayan na. Kain na tayo.
Okay, kainan na. Naano na kasi?
So, ayan na. Oh, you show them yung gaano kalutong. Nagkamay po kaming lahat, mga, Oh. Malutong po siya.
Kasing lutong ng utong ko.
Visit ka.
Sarap.
Winter ng gluten.
Oh, you say hi, Tawi. Hi, Jeline.
Sarap ng ulam.
Ayan, ginutom ko muna sila para wala silang choice. Kundi sabihin, ang sarap-sarap. Bye mga kuda! Say bye! May love! Nagutom na.